Today, we will go ahead and discuss what is called as the principle of equi-marginal utility. The principle of equi-marginal utility. ध्यान से समझना बच्चे. देखो, equi means equal. Equi का क्या मतलब हो गया? It means equal. Marginal utility is what, beta? We know the formula. Marginal utility is how utility changes when consumption changes. जब हम अपनी consumption को change करेंगे, when we will change the consumption, how our utility will change, that is called as marginal utility. Now, when we talk about the law or the principle of equi-marginal utility, then it states that consumer will distribute his income. जो भी पैसा है consumer के पास, जो भी पैसा money है, the consumer will distribute his money in such a way that the utility derived from the last rupee spent on each good is equal. समझने की कोशिश करो बेटा. I have the last rupee with me. मेरे पास एक आखिरी पैसा बचा है, एक आखिरी रुपी बचा है. इसको अगर मैं गुड 1 पे खर्च करती हूं, तो जो एक्स्ट्रा यूटिलिटी मुझे मिलेगी, when I spend it on good X, the extra utility that I will get, it should be equal to if I would have spent this last rupee on good Y. समझे बात को? मतलब मैंने आपको बोला कि कितना इनकम, how much is your money? You tell me, ma'am, I have 10 rupees today. I say, okay, go and spend it on different goods. आपने अपना 1 rupee खर्च किया, then you spend the second rupee, third rupee, fourth rupee, fifth rupee, sixth rupee. You keep spending money. आपने अपना पैसा खर्च करते गए. You are left up with 1 last rupee. आपके पास एक आखिरी रुपए बचा है. You can spend that on the first good or on the second good. We are saying that law of equi-marginal utility says consumer will spend his money in such a way, वो अपना पैसा इस तरीके से खर्च करेगा, such that the utility derived from the last rupee, जो उस आखिरी रुपए से utility है, it will be equal from the two goods. वो दोनों ही goods से equal मिलेगी. Let's write this down, beta. So please write down the law of equi-marginal utility states that the consumer will distribute his money income in such a way that utility derived from the last rupee spent on each good is equal. वो जो आखिरी रुपया है, उससे जो आपको यूटिलिटी मिलती है, देखो ध्यान से समझना बच्चे, व्हाट आर वी सेइंग? The law of equi-marginal utility states that consumer will distribute his income. वो अपना पैसा इस तरीके से distribute करेगा such that utility derived from last rupee, from that last rupee, the utility that you will be deriving, it will be equal from each good. How can we write this mathematically? कैसे लिखते हैं हम मैथ्स में इसको बच्चे? We write this as MUX by PX is equal to MUY by PY. So not example, huh? Equation. MUX by PX is equal to MUY by PY is equal to MUM. Is equal to MUM. Better, let's write down. MUX is marginal utility from good X. MUY is marginal utility from good Y. Px is price of good X. And Py is price of good Y. And MUM is marginal utility of income. Am I clear with this? Clear हुई बच्चे बात ये? So we are saying MUX by PX should be equal to MUY by PY should be equal to MUM. It should be equal to marginal utility of income. ठीक है बेटा? Now I can go ahead and extend this to multiple goods. मतलब I don't need this equation to be only satisfied for good X and Y. If in exam I am given 3 goods, then I will write MUX by PX is equal to MUY by PY is equal to MUZ by PZ. So how many ever number of goods I will be having, I will go ahead and write this equation accordingly. वैसे वैसे ही हम इस equation को लिखते जाएंगे. Try to see that. Let's suppose I take an example. So suppose I make this table. And what I am doing in this beta, I am taking units here. So I have units from 1 to 6. Right? And I am taking marginal utility of X and marginal utility of Y. ये आपको given है. So you're given this is 20, 18, 16, 14, 12 and 10. Right, beta? And you're given marginal utility of good Y 24, 21, 18, 15, 9 and 3. Okay. But you are given that price of good X is 2. Price of good Y is 3. Find equilibrium consumption of the two goods. You need to find equilibrium consumption of the two goods. ठीक है? तो बेटा क्या करना पड़ेगा? We need to find MUX by PX, MUX by PY. So I will start. I will write the units as it is. Units were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And first what I will do, I will find MUX by PX. मैंने पहले MUX by PX निकाला. So if you can see, this is my MUX. Right, beta? This is my PX. PX is 2. Right? So MUX by 2 by PX क्या हो जाएगा? 20 by 2, 10. Right? 18 by 2, 9. Right? 16 by 2, 8. 14 by 2, 7. 12 by 2, 6. 10 by 2, 5. Then I will go ahead and I will find out MUY by PY. But if this is MUY and this is PY. If I will just divide this, what will I get? 24 by 3, 8. Then I will get 21 by 3, 7. Then I will get 18 by 3, 6. 15 by 3, 5. 9 by 3, 3. And 3 by 3, 1. This is what I am getting for MUY by PY. Clear? So I'm getting MUX by PX and I'm getting MUY by PY as this. Now, try to see that currently we don't see an equality between the two. हमें अभी तो कोई equality नहीं दिख रही है. MUX by PX is not equal to MUY by PY. Suppose I tell you, suppose the income of consumer is 24. You're given that rupees 24 is the income of the consumer. Now, try to understand that when consumer, यहाँ ध्यान से देखना, when consumer goes ahead and buys, suppose just try to think here, 2 units of good X, he gets an additional utility of 9. Uska MUX by PX 9 hai. When consumer buys 3 units of good X, his MUX by PX is 8. And when he buys 1 unit of good Y, his MUY by PY is 8. Right? Similarly, try to see when consumer buys 6 units of good X, his MUX by PX is 5. And when he buys 4 units of good Y, his MUY by PY is also 5. Now we know that PX into X plus PY into Y should be equal to income of the consumer. बेटा PX की वैल्यू क्या दी हुई है 2 into X, PY का वैल्यू क्या दिया हुआ है 3 into Y. This should be equal to 24. ठीक है. I need to go ahead and I need to satisfy this budget line. मुझे चाहिए कि मैं X और Y का ऐसे consumption करूं such that this budget line is satisfied. ये budget line satisfy होनी चाहिए. But at the same time, MUX by PX should also be equal to MUY by PY. तो वहां कहां पे हो रहा है बेटा? When I check now, when I consume 6 units of X and 4 units of Y, MUX by PX is equal to MUY by PY. So 6 units of X and 4 units of Y give me equal MUX by PX and MUY by PY. ये दोनों बराबर क्यों हो रहे हैं? Do they satisfy the equation? देखो जरा, 2 into 6 plus 3 into 4, ये कितना हो जाता है बच्चे? 12 plus 12 equal to 24. ये आपकी इनकम के बराबर है? Yes. This is equal to your income. Are you getting it? So this is equilibrium. It can be the case कि आप X की consumption 4 units करो और Y का consumption, X का consumption 6 units and Y का consumption 4 units. Because it is satisfying your budget constraint, आपकी income पूरी consume हो रही है. And at the same time, when you consume this, you get MUX by PX equal to MUY by PY. अब एक और एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. See that here also, when consumer consumes 5 units of X and consumer consumes 4 units of Y, then your MUX by PX is equal to MUY by PY. So ये तो case 1 हो गया बेटा. This is case 1. Case 2. When consumer consumes how many units of X? 5 units of X and how many units of Y? 3 units of Y. देखो, 3 units of Y. What will be your budget line? Beta, your budget line will be 2X plus 3Y is equal to 24. Is this budget line satisfied? 2 into 5 plus 3 into 3, 10 plus 9, 19. But this is less than income. So no, this is not equilibrium. Is this clear? Take another point. देखो ध्यान से. When consumer has 7 MUX by PX, here also it is 7. दोनों के बराबर है. MUX by PX is equal to MUY by PY. Here your unit is 4 and here your unit is 3. So not 3, 2, right? So 4 units of X and 2 units of Y. So your X is 4 and your Y is 2. Is your budget line satisfied? 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. This will be 8 plus 6, which is 14, which is less than 24. So no, not equilibrium. बाकी में तो you're just reducing X and Y. देखो यहाँ पे ध्यान से. See here. Here your X and Y is further reduced. X goes to just 3 and Y to 1. So as you keep reducing X and Y, you will not be able to consume your entire income. The only equilibrium where you consume your entire income and MUX by PX is equal to MUY by PY, that is this. when your X is 6 units and at the same time your Y is 4 units. This is where you have attained your equilibrium. Am I making some sense to you? This is where you have attained your equilibrium. So this can therefore be called as the equilibrium bundle, right? So you see these two are equal, these two are equal, these two are equal, and these two are equal. So for all of these, we have put them in the budget line and we have seen where my budget is satisfied. And we see that that budget is satisfied only when X is 6 and Y is 4, right? So that becomes the equilibrium. वो हमारा equilibrium हो गया, right? This is how you can find equilibrium.